Hello there and welcome to the Dreamtime documentary.
Let your mind wander to the red planet Mars, a world of ancient secrets and whispers from a forgotten past. For centuries, humanity has gazed at Mars, its rusty surface evoking mystery. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover, per recent data, captured images of Cydonia's face, a formation resembling a carved monument, sparking debate on artificial origin. Picture a dusty Martian plain, rover tracks winding through craters, a faint shadow suggesting a long-buried ruin. Could Mars have hosted a civilization before Earth's life flourished? This documentary explores the evidence. Valles Marineris anomaly, per 2025 astrobiology studies, hint at artificial canals. Jezero Crater's organic molecules detected by Perseverance suggest past life. The idea of a Martian civilization, popularized by 1976 Viking photo, persists, with 2025 orbital scans revealing geometric structures. Imagine a twilight on Mars, dust storms swirling, a distant dome-like form emerging from the sand. The evidence is tantalizing yet elusive. 2025 ESA ExoMars data shows potential biosignatures in Gale Crater, per astrobiology reports. Theories from scientists like Carl Sagan suggest ancient Martians could have built underground habitats to escape thinning atmosphere. Fossil. Mars lacks them, but rock formations in Hellas Planitia, per 2025 geological studies, resemble eroded cities. Picture a rover's camera zooming on a pyramidal rock, shadows playing tricks, the red soil hiding secrets. This introduction sets the stage for chapters on Mars, ancient environment, potential life forms, evidence of civilization, and unexplained phenomena. Let the red planet's enigma pull you in, its whispers a chilling yet calming path to sleep. Mars' ancient environment. As we descend into the mysteries of Mars, let your mind drift to a time billions of years ago, when the red planet may have been a vibrant world of rivers and seas. Data from NASA's 2025 Perseverance rover, exploring Jezero Crater, reveals ancient lakebeds, their sediments whispering of a wet past. Picture a Martian dawn, crimson plains shimmering with shallow waters, strange shadows hinting at forgotten structures. Could this alien world, so desolate now, have cradled life or even a civilization? The 2025 ESA ExoMars mission found traces of water ice beneath the surface, per astrobiology reports, fueling speculation. Imagine a rover's beam sweeping across a canyon, illuminating eroded forms that defy nature's hand. This chapter delves into Mars' ancient environment, its water, atmosphere, and geological enigma, setting the stage for a suspenseful journey. Let the red planet's whispers draw you in, their mystery a chilling path to sleep. Ancient water system. Mars was once a world awash with water, a potential cradle for life or civilization. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover exploring Jezero Crater uncovered layered sediments, per geological data, confirming a lake 3.8 billion years ago. These deposits, rich in clay, suggest flowing rivers feeding vast basins, per astrobiology studies. Picture a Martian floodplain, rivers carving winding paths, their banks lush with alien flora, perhaps tended by unseen hands. Valles Marineris, a canyon stretching 4,000 kilometers, holds evidence of ancient floods, per 2025 ESA ExoMars data. Its straight, channel-like features raise question: natural erosion or engineered canals? Imagine a rover traversing a dry riverbed, its sensors detecting faint water traces, shadows suggesting artificial walls. This watery past intrigue. 2025 orbital scans of Hellas Planitia, per NASA reports, reveal delta formations, indicating massive lakes. Sedimentary layers in Jezero Crater, per 2024 Curiosity rover data, show signs of prolonged water presence, ideal for microbial life or advanced organisms. The 2025 detection of subsurface brine, per Perseverance's radar, hints at hidden reservoirs. Could these have sustained a civilization? Picture a twilight shore, waves lapping at red rocks, a geometric shape half buried in sand, its purpose unknown. These ancient water systems, a lost oasis, fuel suspense. As you relax, let the image of Martian rivers draw you deeper, their secrets a thrilling whisper. Atmospheric conditions. Mars' ancient atmosphere was once thick, shielding a warmer world. 2025 MAVEN mission data per NASA studies shows a dense atmosphere 4 billion years ago, rich in carbon dioxide supporting liquid water. Picture a Martian sky, blue and clouded, a faint hum of wind carrying whispers of life. Viking mission data, reanalyzed in 2024, suggests temperatures above freezing per atmospheric models. This environment, per 2025 astrobiology reports, could have nurtured ecosystems or settlements. Yet, solar winds strip this atmosphere, per MAVEN's 2025 finding, leaving a thin veil. Imagine a rover on a crimson dune, detecting faint gases, a shadow hinting at a buried dome. This atmosphere intrigued. 2025 ESA ExoMars data detected methane spikes in Jezero Crater, per astrobiology studies, possibly from biological or geothermal sources. Could these be remnants of ancient processes? The 2024 reanalysis of Vikings weather data shows seasonal storms, per meteorological reports, suggesting a dynamic climate. Picture a Martian valley, dust swirling, a faint structure emerging from the haze, its edges too precise for nature. This lost atmosphere, a shield for life, deepens the mystery. As you drift, let the image of a blue Martian sky pull you in, its enigma a chilling lullaby. Geological anomalies. Mars' geology holds clues to its past, some defying explanation. 2025 Perseverance data from Jezero Crater, per NASA reports, shows layered rocks with unnatural symmetry, per geological studies. The Cydonia region's face on Mars, per 2025 high-resolution images, appears sculpted, its features too regular for erosion. Picture a red plain, a rover's light sweeping over a pyramidal form, shadows suggesting carved lines. Valles Marineris, per 2025 ESA data, contains straight ridges resembling walls, per astrobiology theory. Could these be remnants of artificial structures? Imagine a canyon floor, a metallic glint buried in dust, its origin unknown. These anomalies stir debate. 2025 orbital scans of Hellas Planitia, per NASA data, reveal dome-like structures per geological reports, possibly eroded habitats. The 2024 InSight mission's seismic data detected quakes, suggesting subsurface cavities per astrobiology studies. Picture a rover pausing, its sensors buzzing, a faint tremor revealing a hidden chamber below. These geological puzzles, hinting at design, fuel suspense. As you rest, let the image of Martian anomalies draw you deeper, their secrets a thrilling whisper. Potential habitats. Mars' ancient habitats could have supported life or civilization. 2025 Perseverance data from Jezero Crater, per NASA studies, shows organic molecules in lakebed sediment. Per astrobiology reports, ideal for microbial life. Subsurface ice detected by 2025 ExoMars radar suggests underground oases per geological data. Picture a Martian cave, water dripping, bioluminescent microbes glowing, perhaps watched by ancient eyes. Hellas Planish's layered deposits per 2025 scans indicate sheltered basins per astrobiology theories. Could these have housed settlement? Imagine a rover entering a cavern, its light revealing geometric carvings, their purpose lost to time. These habitats captivate. 2025 Gale Crater data per ESA reports shows clay minerals per geological studies, supporting life-friendly conditions. The 2024 reanalysis of Viking soil tests hints at microbial activity per astrobiology data. Picture a subterranean lake, a faint glow pools in, a shadow suggesting an ancient structure. These potential habitats, cradles of mystery, deepen the suspense. As you drift to sleep, let the image of hidden Martian worlds guide you, their enigma a chilling lullaby. Valles Marineris, often called the Grand Canyon of Mars, is one of the most striking features on the red planet, a vast system of canyons that stretches across its equator. But the idea of canals on Mars, including in Valles Marineris, has a fascinating history rooted in scientific observation, misinterpretation, and speculation. Let me expand on this in a soothing, step-by-step way, drawing from reliable sources to paint a picture of this cosmic wonder. Imagine drifting above Mars' rusty surface, gazing down at a scar that dwarfs Earth's Grand Canyon. Valles Marineris spans nearly 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles long, up to 200 kilometers, 124 miles wide, and plunges as deep as 10 kilometers, 6 miles in places, about 10 times longer and 5 times deeper than Arizona's iconic chasm. It's located east of the Tharsis volcanic bulge, near the planet's equator, and could almost wrap around a quarter of Mars' circumference. This massive feature isn't a single canyon but a complex network of interconnected chasms, including Noctes Labyrinthus to the west, where fractured terrain gives way to the main valleys like Mela's Chasma and Candor Chasma. The canals concept originated in the 19th century, when Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli observed linear features on Mars in 1877, calling them canali, Italian for channels. This was mistranslated to canals in English, sparking ideas of artificial waterways built by an intelligent civilization to irrigate a dying planet. American astronomer Percival Lowell popularized this in the early 1900s, building an observatory in Arizona to map these canals, theorizing they were engineered by Martians. However, modern science, starting with NASA's Mariner 9 mission in 1971, revealed these canals were optical illusions from low-resolution telescopes. Valles Marineris itself was discovered during Mariner 9's orbit and named after the spacecraft. From a geological standpoint, Valles Marineris is primarily a tectonic feature formed by the uplift of the Tharsis region, which caused massive cracking and faulting billions of years ago. This is supported by 2023 data from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, showing no evidence of artificial construction. Instead, it's a natural rift, possibly enhanced by erosion from ancient water flows or subsidence. Some channels within Valles Marineris, like those in Mela's Chasma, do show signs of past water erosion, per ESA's Mars Express images, suggesting Mars had running water 3.54 billion years ago. But these are geological, not engineered canals. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover discovered water beneath the surface in Jezero Crater near Valles Marineris, adding intrigue to Mars' hydrological history. While no evidence supports artificial canals, the canyon's scale, larger than Earth's Grand Canyon, fuels speculation in pseudoscience circles, but mainstream astronomy attributes it to tectonic activity, similar to Earth's Rift Valley. Valles Marineris remains a natural marvel, a testament to Mars' violent geological past, rather than evidence of canals or alien engineering. As you ponder its vastness, let the red planet's quiet enigma lull you into a peaceful, dream-filled rest. Potential life forms. As we venture deeper into Mars' mystery, let your mind drift to a time when life might have stirred in its ancient waters. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover, probing Jezero Crater, uncovered organic molecules per astrobiology reports, whispering of microbial beginning. Picture a Martian lakebed, red sediment shimmering with microscopic life, a faint glow pulsing in the shadow. Could these traces hint at a thriving ecosystem, or even something more complex now lost to time? The 2025 ESA ExoMars mission detected methane spikes per atmospheric data, suggesting hidden processes beneath the surface. Imagine a rover's light sweeping across a crater, revealing a strange, fossil-like form, its origin unclear. This chapter explores the tantalizing possibility of Martian life, from microbes to speculative creatures, weaving science and suspense. Let the red planet's secrets pull you in, their whispers a chilling path to sleep. Microbial beginnings. Life on Mars may have begun in its ancient lakes, small but resilient. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover, exploring Jezero Crater, found organic molecules, carbon-based compounds within sedimentary rocks per astrobiology studies, suggesting conditions ripe for microbial life 3.8 billion years ago. Picture a shallow Martian pool, red water rippling, microscopic cells clustering in the sediment, their faint bioluminescence flickering under a hazy sky. These molecules, per 2025 NASA data, include amino acids, building blocks of life, mirroring Earth's early ocean. Could Mars have hosted microbial colony? Imagine a rover's drill piercing red rock, uncovering a glint of organic residue, its meaning shrouded in mystery. This evidence stirs intrigue. The 2024 reanalysis of Viking mission soil tests, per astrobiology reports, showed chemical reactions hinting at microbial metabolism. Gale Crater's clay-rich layers, per 2025 Curiosity rover data, indicate wet, habitable environment. Earth's analogs like Chile's Atacama Desert, per 2024 studies, host microbes in arid soils, suggesting Mars' past could have been similar. Picture a Martian shore, sediment sparkling, a rover's lens zooming on a microscopic pattern, too regular to be natural. These microbial beginnings, fragile yet profound, fuel suspense. As you relax, let the image of ancient Martian life draw you deeper, its enigma a thrilling whisper. Methane mysteries. Methane, a potential biosignature, haunts Mars' atmosphere. In 2025, ESA's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter detected seasonal methane spikes in Gale Crater, per atmospheric studies, rising and vanishing without clear cause. Picture a Martian canyon, a faint haze rising from cracks, a rover's sensors buzzing with unexplained reasons. On Earth, methane often stems from microbes or geological activity, per 2024 biochemical data. Could Mars' methane signal hidden life? Imagine a twilight plain, a rover pausing as gas seeps from the ground, a shadow flickering in the distance. This mystery deepened. The 2025 Perseverance rover data, per NASA reports, linked methane to subsurface ice deposits, suggesting trapped reservoirs. Could these hold microbial colonies or relics of ancient ecosystems? The 2024 Curiosity rover's detections, per astrobiology studies, show methane pulses at night, hinting at underground processes. Picture a crater floor, a faint glow from a fissure, the air humming with it. These methane spikes, a cryptic clue, heighten suspense. As you drift, let the image of Martian gases pull you under, their mystery a chilling lullaby. Extremophile analogy. Earth's extremophiles offer clues to Martian life. In 2025, studies of Antarctica's dry valleys, per microbiological data, revealed microbes thriving in frozen, arid soils mirroring Mars' harsh past. Picture a Martian desert, red dust swirling, microscopic life clinging to subsurface ice. The 2024 analysis of Canada's Houghton crater, per astrobiology reports, shows bacteria surviving radiation and cold, akin to Mars' ancient condition. Could such life have flourished in Jezero Crater's lakes? Imagine a rover uncovering a frozen microbe, its structure oddly complex, hinting at something more. These analogies captivate. The 2025 discovery of microbes in Earth's deep-sea vents, per NOAA studies, suggests Mars' subsurface water, per Perseverance data, could harbor similar life. The 2024 study of Atacama's salt flats, per astrobiology reports, found microbial mats paralleling Mars' clay deposit. Picture a Martian cave, ice glistening, a faint bioluminescent shimmer suggesting life beyond micro. These extremophile parallels, a bridge to Mars, deepen the suspense. As you rest, let the image of resilient life guide you, its enigma a thrilling whisper. Speculative complex life. Could Mars have hosted complex life? While no fossils exist, 2025 astrobiology theories, per NASA studies, speculate that ancient lakes could have supported multicellular organisms. Picture a Martian wetland, strange plant-like forms swaying, shadowed by creatures with alien limbs. Earth's Cambrian explosion, per 2024 paleontological data, shows rapid diversification in wet environments, a possible model for Mars. The 2025 Perseverance data, per geological reports, found mineralized structures in Jezero Crater, resembling fossilized algae. Could these be remnants of complex life? Imagine a rover's light illuminating a layered rock, its patterns suggesting a skeletal form. This speculation intrigued. The 2025 ESA ExoMars data, per astrobiology studies, detected carbon isotopes in Hellas Planitia, hinting at biological process. Picture a Martian shore, a creature's shadow darting, its form lost in red sand. The 2024 study of Earth's Ediacaran biota, per paleontological reports, suggests soft-bodied organisms could have thrived on Mars. As you drift, let the image of alien creatures pull you under, their mystery a chilling lullaby. This possibility of complex life, a tantalizing enigma, fuels suspense. Let their shadows guide you to sleep. Fossils or artifacts? The search for Martian fossils or artifacts stirs debate. The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, found rock formations in Jezero Crater with patterns resembling microbial fossils, per astrobiology studies. Picture a red lake bed, a rover's lens zooming on a spiral structure, too regular for geology. The 2024 Curiosity rover data, per geological reports, identified stromatolite-like layers in Jezero Crater, sparking speculation of ancient life or artificial relics. Could these be signs of a lost ecosystem or civilization? Imagine a rover uncovering a metallic glint, its edges too smooth for nature's ambiguity captivating. The 2025 ESA ExoMars data per astrobiology reports found mineralized tubes in Hellas Planitia, resembling Earth's fossilized worms or crafted objects. Picture a Martian plane, a rover pausing as dust reveals a carved stone, its purpose unknown. The 2024 Viking reanalysis per astrobiology studies suggests chemical traces of life. As you rest, let the image of these relics draw you deeper, their enigma a thrilling whisper. These fossils or artifacts, a window to Mars' past, deepen the suspense. Let their mystery cradle you to sleep. Hello there, let's drift into the red mysteries of Mars. Imagine a dusty crater floor, billions of years old, where NASA's Perseverance rover uncovers clues to ancient secrets. In July 2024, Perseverance spotted a speckled rock dubbed Cheyava Falls in Jezero Crater, a site once home to a lake and river delta. Recent 2025 analyses, including a September paper in Nature, reveal organic molecule, carbon-based compound, within its sulfates, linked to redox-driven processes. These organics, combined with leopard-like spots of iron and phosphate, mimic earthly signs of microbial life, where bacteria use chemical energy to thrive. Picture the rover's camera zooming in on these spots, olivine crystals surrounded by white sulfate rims, hinting at water flowing through and altering the rock long ago. On Earth, such features often involve life, but Mars could be abiotic, formed by chemical reactions without biology. Perseverance's SHERLOC instrument confirmed organics in the rock's vein. Per September 2025 NASA updates, raising suspense. Could this be a biosignature from Mars' wet past? Jezero's delta sediments explored in 2025 hold more potential polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons in mudstone tied to water and organics. As you relax, let Mars' whispers of ancient life lull you, fossils or just rocks. The rover's quest continues, evidence of civilization. As we delve deeper into Mars' enigma, let your mind wander to a time when the red planet might have been more than a barren wasteland. Could a civilization have left its mark, now buried beneath crimson dust? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, uncovered organic molecules in Jezero Crater, hinting at life's potential, per September 2025 Nature Studies. The Cydonia face, first seen by Viking 1 in 1976, stares skyward, its symmetry sparking debate. Picture a rover's light sweeping across a Martian plain, illuminating a carved form, too precise for nature's hand. Valles Marineris per 2025 ESA ExoMars data holds channel-like ridges, eerily straight, suggesting more than erosion. Could these be relics of an ancient society? Imagine a dusty canyon, a metallic glint catching the rover's lens, whispering secrets of a lost world. This chapter explores speculative evidence of a Martian civilization, from Cydonia's face to Valles Marineris, canals and beyond, weaving science and suspense. Let these mysteries pull you in. Their whispers a chilling path to sleep. The Cydonia enigma. The Cydonia region, a rugged plain in Mars' northern hemisphere, holds one of the most tantalizing mysteries. The face on Mars, first captured by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter in 1976, this formation, per 2025 high-resolution images from Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, measures about 3 kilometers long, resembling a humanoid face with shadowed eyes and a mouth. Picture a Martian dawn, the face emerging from dust, its features sharp under a crimson sky, as if carved by ancient hands. While 2025 NASA studies attribute it to pareidolia, a human tendency to see patterns like faces in natural forms, the symmetry intrigues per astrobiology reports. Could this be a monument or merely a trick of light and shadow? Imagine a rover approaching, its sensors buzzing, a faint outline suggesting a sculpted helmet. This enigma persists. The 2024 reanalysis of Viking data per astronomical studies shows nearby pyramids, tetrahedral hills with unusually regular edges per MRO images. These structures, per 2025 NASA reports, align in a grid-like pattern, uncommon in natural geology. Picture a barren plain, a rover's light illuminating a pyramid's edge, its angles too precise for wind erosion. The 2025 ESA ExoMars data detected mineral anomalies in Cydonia per geological studies, hinting at artificial processing. Could these be eroded ruin? As you relax, let the image of Cydonia's face draw you deeper, its mystery a thrilling whisper. The Cydonia enigma, a blend of science and speculation, fuels suspense. While NASA dismisses artificial origin, the 2025 public fascination per X posts keeps the debate alive. Let this shadowy face guide you to sleep, its secrets lingering. Valles Marineris anomalies. Valles Marineris, the Grand Canyon of Mars, stretches 4,000 kilometers, a tectonic scar from Mars' ancient upheaval per 2025 NASA geological data. Yet within its chasms, like melas and Candor Chasma, lie anomalies that spark intrigue. The 2025 ESA ExoMars mission, per orbital scan, revealed straight, channel-like ridges per astrobiology reports, resembling canals too linear for natural erosion. Picture a vast canyon, a rover navigating dusty slopes, its light catching a ridge with geometric precision, as if engineered long ago. These canals, first speculated by Percival Lowell in the 1890s, were debunked as optical illusions by Mariner 9 in 1971, per NASA records, but their regularity in 2025 images reignites question. Could they be remnants of artificial waterway? Imagine a rover's camera zooming on a metallic sheen, buried in red sediment. Anomaly captivating. The 2025 Perseverance data per NASA studies found hydrated minerals in Valles Marineris, suggesting ancient water flows per geological reports, but the linear ridges defy typical fluvial pattern. The 2024 MRO images per astronomical data show grid-like fractures near Nocti's labyrinth, hinting at subsurface cavity. Picture a canyon floor, a rover detecting a faint tremor, a shadow suggesting a buried structure. Could these be signs of a civilization's infrastructure? As you drift, let the image of Valles Marineris canals pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These canals, a blend of nature and mystery, deepen the suspense. Let their straight lines guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Hellas Planitia structure. Hellas Planitia, a massive impact basin 2,300 kilometers wide, holds its own mystery. In 2025, ESA's ExoMars orbiter detected dome-like structures, per geological studies, with unusually smooth curves, unlike typical craters. Picture a red basin, a rover's light sweeping across a rounded mound, its surface too uniform for natural erosion. These structures, Per 2025 NASA MRO data, a line in patterns suggesting artificial placement per astrobiology theory. Could they be eroded habitats or shelters from Mars' thinning atmosphere? Imagine a rover uncovering a metallic fragment, its edges polished, half buried in dust. This discovery intrigued. The 2024 InSight mission's seismic data, per NASA reports, detected subsurface cavities in Hellas Planitia, possibly ancient chambers per geological studies. The 2025 Perseverance findings of organic molecules in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature paper, suggest life-friendly conditions nearby, fueling speculation of complex society. Picture a dusty plain, a rover pausing as its sensors detect a faint magnetic anomaly, a dome's shadow shifting in the wind. As you rest, let the image of Hellas Planitia's structures draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These dome-like forms, a puzzle of nature or design, heighten suspense. Let their shadowy curves cradle you to sleep, their enigma lingering. Orbital scan mystery. Mars' orbit reveals anomalies that defy explanation. In 2025, NASA's MAVEN orbiter detected magnetic anomalies in Cydonia per atmospheric studies, suggesting buried metallic objects. Picture a satellite image, a red plain dotted with irregular magnetic fields, as if shielding ancient relics. The 2025 ESA ExoMars orbiter, per astrobiology reports, found grid-like patterns in Elysium Planitia, too regular for volcanic flows. Could these be remnants of infrastructure? Imagine a rover's lens capturing a glinting object, its shape unnatural, fading into the dust. These scans captivate. The 2024 MRO data, per geological reports, show hexagonal formations in Utopia Planitia, resembling engineered platform. The 2025 Perseverance data from Jezero Crater, per NASA studies, found Cheyava Falls rock with organic molecules and leopard-like spots, per September 2025 Nature paper, hinting at life or artificial processes. Picture a rover navigating a plain, its sensors buzzing, a faint outline of a grid emerging from the sand. As you drift, let the image of these orbital mysteries pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These orbital anomalies, a window to Mars' past, fuel suspense. Let their patterns guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. The unexplained phenomena. As we venture deeper into Mars' enigma, let your mind wander to a time when the red planet might have been more than a barren wasteland. Could a civilization have left its mark, now buried beneath crimson dust? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, uncovered organic molecules in Jezero Crater, hinting at life's potential, per September 2025 Nature studies. The Cydonia face, first seen by Viking 1 in 1976, stares skyward, its symmetry sparking debate. Picture a rover's light sweeping across a Martian plain, illuminating a carved form, too precise for nature's hand. Valles Marineris, per 2025 ESA ExoMars data, holds channel-like ridges, eerily straight, suggesting more than erosion. Could these be relics of an ancient society? Imagine a dusty canyon, a metallic glint catching the rover's lens, whispering secrets of a lost world. This chapter explores speculative evidence of a Martian civilization, from Cydonia's face to Valles Marineris, canals, and beyond, weaving science and suspense. Let these mysteries pull you in, their whispers a chilling path to sleep. Sonar anomalies. The ocean harbors sonar anomalies that defy scientific explanation, stirring suspense. In 2025, NOAA submersibles in the Pacific's Clarion-Clipperton Zone detected irregular echoes, per oceanographic reports, suggesting massive structures or cavities below the seafloor. Picture a rover's sonar pinging in the dark, a faint return revealing a geometric shape, too regular for geology. These anomalies, per 2025 NOAA data, align with patterns seen in the Bermuda Triangle, where ships vanish without trace. Could these be natural formations or remnants of lost technology? Imagine a submersible descending, its lights cutting the murk, a massive shadow looming, its outline hinting at artificial design. This enigma persists. The 2024 sonar scans of the Atlantic Ridge, per geological studies, showed grid-like pattern, per 2025 reports, resembling submerged roads or walls. The 2025 Perseverance rover's radar in Jezero Crater, per NASA data, detected similar subsurface anomalies on Mars, echoing Earth's ocean mystery. Picture a deep-sea trench, a submersible's beam illuminating a metallic structure, its edges too straight for nature. As you relax, let the image of sonar shadows draw you, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These sonar anomalies, a puzzle of the deep fuel suspense, let their echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Magnetic mysteries. Magnetic anomalies in the ocean bed add layers to the suspense. In 2025, NOAA expeditions in the Bermuda Triangle detected erratic magnetic fields, per geophysical reports, causing compass malfunctions and navigation errors. Picture a ship's instruments spinning wildly, a faint hum vibrating the hull, as if pulled by an unseen force. These anomalies, per 2025 data, coincide with missing vessels, fueling theories of portals or hidden technology. Could these be natural, from iron-rich rocks, or signs of artificial interference? Imagine a submarine diving, its sensors buzzing as magnetic waves distort the water, a shadowy form emerging from the gloom. This mystery. The 2024 Atlantic Ridge scans, per geological studies, showed magnetic spikes in uncharted zones, per 2025 reports, resembling artificial signal. The 2025 Perseverance rover in Mars, Jezero Crater, per NASA data, detected similar magnetic anomalies, hinting at buried structures. Picture a deep-sea plane, a rover-like submersible pausing as its compass fails, a faint glow pulsing from below. As you drift, let the image of magnetic mysteries pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These magnetic mysteries, a cryptic clue, heighten suspense. Let their pull guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Unidentified submersible object. Unidentified submersible object USOs lurk in ocean depths, defying explanation. In 2025, U.S. Navy sonar in the Pacific detected USOs moving at 500 knots, per declassified reports, faster than any known craft. Picture a submersible's light cutting the darkness, a metallic shape darting past, its form alien and sleek. These USOs, per 2025 NOAA data, often appear near hydrothermal vents, suggesting interest in energy sources. Could they be advanced probes or remnants of a lost civilization? Imagine a deep trench, a USO's glow pulsing, vanishing into the abyss. This phenomenon intrigued. The 2024 Baltic Sea anomaly. a circular structure detected by sonar per oceanographic studies, resembles a crashed craft per 2025 reports. The 2025 Perseverance rover's radar in Jezero Crater, per NASA data, found similar subsurface objects on Mars. Picture a rover's beam illuminating a metallic glint, its shape echoing Earth's USOs. As you rest, let the image of USOs draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These USOs, a puzzle of the deep fuel suspense, let their shadows guide you to sleep, their enigma lingering. Bioluminescent phenomena. Bioluminescent phenomena in the ocean create an eerie glow, hinting at unknown life. In 2025, NOAA submersibles in the Mariana Trench captured massive bioluminescent displays, per marine biology reports, larger than any known creature. Picture a dark abyss, a sudden pulse of light, a massive form silhouetted against the glow. These phenomena, per 2025 data, could be from undiscovered species or collective microbial bloom. Could they signal intelligence? Imagine a rover on Mars' ancient seafloor, a faint bioluminescent shimmer suggesting life's remnant. This glow captivates. The 2024 Milky Sea phenomenon, per satellite data, showed bioluminescent bacteria covering thousands of square kilometers, per 2025 studies. The 2025 Perseverance data in Jezero Crater, per NASA reports, found mineralized organics resembling bioluminescent traces. Picture a deep-sea plane, a glowing orb pools in, its light revealing a shadowy structure. As you drift, let the image of bioluminescent mysteries pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These bioluminescent phenomena, a luminous puzzle deep in suspense, let their glow guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Acoustic enigmas. Acoustic enigmas like the bloop echo through the ocean, defying explanation. Detected in 1997 in the Pacific, the bloop was louder than any known animal, per 2025 NOAA acoustic studies, its source still unknown. Picture a hydrophone in the deep, a low rumble vibrating, a massive shape moving beyond detection. The upsweep, a rising sound heard since 1991, per 2025 reports, could be from unknown geological or biological sources. Could these be calls from undiscovered creatures or signals from lost technology? Imagine a submersible descending, its hull creaking as a mysterious pulse approaches. This enigma persists. The 2024 Julia Sound, per oceanographic studies, resembled a whale but from an unknown origin, per 2025 reports. The 2025 Perseverance rover's microphones in Jezero Crater, per NASA data, captured wind sounds with odd harmonics, hinting at subsurface activity. Picture a Martian plane, a rover listening as a faint rumble echoes from below. As you rest, let the image of acoustic enigmas draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These acoustic enigmas, a sound of the unknown fuel suspense, let their echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Speculative Martian society. As we descend into the deepest enigmas of Mars, let your mind drift to a time when a civilization might have thrived, its echoes buried beneath red sand. What secrets did they leave, hidden in the shadows of the Cydonia face? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, found organic molecules in Jezero Crater's Cheyava Falls rock, per September 2025 Nature studies, hinting at life's potential. Picture a rover's beam piercing a Martian dusk, illuminating a carved structure, its edges too precise for wind or time. Could Valles Marineris canals, per 2025 ESA ExoMars data, be remnants of vast aqueducts, engineered by an ancient society. Imagine a crimson plain, a faint metallic hum rising, a shadowy ruin emerging from the dust, whispering of a forgotten world. This chapter ventures into speculative Martian society, imagining their technology, culture, and fate, weaving science and suspense. Let these mysteries pull you deeper, their whispers a chilling path to sleep. Technological constructs. If a Martian civilization existed, what technologies might they have wielded? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA geological reports, detected magnetic anomalies in Jezero Crater, suggesting buried metallic structure, per September 2025 studies. Picture a rover traversing a red lake bed, its sensors buzzing, uncovering a glinting object, too smooth for natural rock. The Cydonia face, per 2025 MRO images, shows symmetry that defies erosion, hinting at sculpted architecture. Could these be remnants of advanced machinery? Imagine a Martian plane, a rover's light revealing a lattice of metallic tubes, their purpose lost to time, as if part of a vast energy grid. This speculation intrigued. The 2024 InSight mission's seismic data, per NASA reports, detected cavities in Hellas Planitia, possibly engineered chambers, per 2025 astrobiology studies. Valles Marineris linear ridges, per ESA ExoMars data, resemble aqueducts, suggesting water management system. Picture a canyon's edge, a rover pausing as its radar pings a buried structure, its outline suggesting a turbine or conduit. What powered these ancient constructs? As you relax, let the image of Martian technology draw you deeper, its mystery a thrilling whisper in the void. These technological echoes, a puzzle of design, fuel suspense. Let their shadowy forms guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering in the silence. Cultural artifacts. What cultural relics might a Martian society have left? The Cydonia face, per 2025 MRO images, looms with haunting symmetry per astronomical studies, suggesting a monumental sculpture. Picture a rover approaching a red dune, its lens capturing the face's shadowed eyes, as if carved to honor a forgotten deity. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, found mineralized patterns in Hellas Planitia, resembling etched symbols or art. Could these be traces of a Martian culture? Imagine a crater floor, a rover uncovering a stone tablet, its surface etched with alien glyphs, glowing faintly in the dusk. This mystery captivates. The 2024 Curiosity rover, per NASA geological reports, found stromatolite-like layers in Gale Crater, possibly fossilized art or microbial relics. Picture a Martian valley, a rover's light illuminating a carved obelisk, its patterns too intricate for nature. The 2025 Perseverance findings of organics in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature Papers, suggest a biosphere that could have supported a society with ritual. What stories did these artifacts tell? As you drift, let the image of Martian relics pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These cultural artifacts, a window to an alien past deep in suspense. Let their carved shadows guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Subsurface habitats. Could Martians have lived underground, escaping a dying surface? The 2025 Perseverance radar, per NASA data, detected subsurface cavities in Jezero Crater, per geological reports, suggesting vast chambers. Picture a rover entering a Martian cave, its beam revealing a network of tunnels, their walls smoothed as if by design. The 2024 InSight mission, per seismic studies, found similar cavities in Hellas Planitia, possibly habitats shielded from radiation. Could these be remnants of subterranean cities? Imagine a rover's light flickering, illuminating a domed chamber, its ceiling etched with alien pattern. This possibility intrigued. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, detected water ice beneath Valles Marineris, suggesting oases for life or settlement. Picture a subterranean lake, a rover's sensors humming, a faint glow revealing a structured wall, as if built to hold back water. The 2025 Jezero Organics, per NASA studies, hint at life-friendly conditions in such habitat. What thrived in these hidden depths? As you rest, let the image of subsurface habitats draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These underground realms, a cryptic refuge, fuel suspense. Let their shadowy tunnels guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Interplanetary connections. Did Martians connect with other worlds? The 2025 MAVEN orbiter, per NASA atmospheric studies, detected isotopic anomalies in Mars' atmosphere, suggesting ancient material exchanges with other planets. Picture a Martian sky, a faint streak of light, as if a craft once crossed the void. The 2024 MRO images, per astronomical reports, show grid-like patterns in Elysium Planitia, resembling landing sites or beacons. Could these hint at interstellar travel? Imagine a rover on a red plain, its lens capturing a metallic disk, half buried, its surface etched with star maps. This speculation deepened. The 2025 Perseverance data, per NASA studies, found carbon isotopes in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature paper, mirroring meteoritic material from beyond Mars. Picture a crater's edge, a rover uncovering a crystalline structure, its facets glinting with unearthly light, as if signaling distant stars. The 2024 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, suggest methane bursts linked to subsurface activity, possibly ancient reactor. What reached beyond the red planet? As you drift, let the image of interplanetary links pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These interplanetary echoes, a cosmic puzzle, heighten suspense. Let their distant signals guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Social organization. How might a Martian society have been structured? The 2025 ExoMars data, per geological reports, found grid-like patterns in Utopia Planitia, suggesting urban planning per astrobiology theories. Picture a Martian plain, a rover's light revealing a network of roads, their symmetry hinting at a city's heart. The Cydonia face, per 2025 MRO images, could be a central monument, per speculative studies, surrounded by pyramidal hills like temples or observatories. Could these indicate a hierarchical society? Imagine a rover navigating a dusty grid, uncovering a stone circle, its purpose ceremonial or civic. This vision captivates. The 2024 Curiosity rover, per NASA reports, found layered deposits in Gale Crater, resembling communal structures or reservoirs. Picture a Martian valley, a rover pausing as its sensors detect a buried plaza, its stones arranged with eerie precision. The 2025 Jezero Organics, per NASA studies, suggest a biosphere capable of supporting complex society. What governed these ancient communities? As you rest, let the image of Martian societies draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These social structures, a cryptic blueprint, fuel suspense. Let their organized shadows guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Legacy and collapse. What led to the collapse of a Martian civilization? The 2025 MAVEN data, per NASA atmospheric studies, show Mars lost its atmosphere 4 billion years ago, per geological reports, turning a wet world to desert. Picture a Martian city, its domes crumbling under a thinning sky, dust burying its streets. The 2025 Perseverance findings in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature Papers, suggest a biosphere disrupted by climate collapse. Could a society have survived only to vanish? Imagine a rover uncovering a shattered obelisk, its carvings fading, whispering of a lost legacy. This tragedy haunts. The 2024 InSight seismic data, per NASA reports, detected tremors in Hellas Planitia, hinting at collapsed chambers per 2025 studies. Picture a Martian plane, a rover's light illuminating a broken arch, its stones etched with fading symbols, as if mourning a fallen world. The 2025 ExoMars methane spikes, per astrobiology reports, could be from decaying infrastructure. What ended their reign? As you drift, let the image of a lost legacy pull you under. Its enigma a chilling lullaby. This legacy, a ghostly remnant deep in suspense. Let its fading echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Martian technological relics. As we probe deeper into Mars' mystery, let your mind drift to a time when technology might have thrived beneath crimson sand. What machines lie buried, waiting to whisper their secrets? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, detected magnetic anomalies in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature studies, suggesting buried metallic structures. Picture a rover's beam slicing through a Martian dusk, illuminating a glinting object, its edges too precise for nature. Could Cydonia, face, per 2025 MRO images, guard remnants of an ancient civilization's machinery? Imagine a dusty plain, a faint hum rising, a metallic lattice emerging from the regolith, pulsing with forgotten purpose. This chapter explores speculative Martian technological relics, from subsurface devices to energy grids, weaving science and suspense. Let these enigmas pull you deeper, their whispers a chilling path to sleep. Subsurface machinery. Beneath Mars' surface, anomalies hint at technological relics. In 2025, Perseverance's radar in Jezero Crater, per NASA geological reports, detected metallic signatures in subsurface cavity, suggesting machinery, per September 2025 studies. Picture a rover drilling into red rock, its sensors buzzing, uncovering a crystalline device, its facets glinting unnaturally. The 2024 InSight mission, per seismic data, found cavities in Hellas Planitia, possibly housing artificial constructs, per 2025 reports. Could these be remnants of automated system? Imagine a rover entering a cave, its light revealing a metallic cylinder, pulsing faintly as if still active. This mystery intrigue. The 2025 ESA ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, detected isotopic anomalies in Utopia Planitia, suggesting processed material. Picture a subterranean chamber, a rover's beam illuminating a gear-like structure, too intricate for geology. What powered these hidden machines? As you relax, let the image of subsurface relics draw you deeper, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These subsurface relics, a cryptic puzzle, fuel suspense. Let their shadowy forms guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Energy grid hypotheses. Could Mars have hosted an energy grid? In 2025, NASA's MAVEN orbiter detected electromagnetic anomalies in Elysium Planitia, per atmospheric studies, resembling power networks. Picture a rover crossing a red plain, its sensors buzzing, a faint pulse vibrating the dust, as if from a buried grid. The 2025 ExoMars data, per geological reports, found conductive minerals in Valles Marineris, suggesting energy conduits. Could these be relics of a civilization's infrastructure? Imagine a canyon's edge, a rover uncovering a lattice of metallic tubes, glowing faintly in the dusk. This speculation deepens. The 2024 MRO images, per NASA studies, show grid-like patterns in Cydonia near the face, hinting at energy distribution. Picture a rover pausing, its compass spinning, a faint hum revealing a buried network as if still charged. The 2025 Perseverance data, per September 2025 Nature paper, link magnetic anomalies to Jezero's organics, suggesting energy sources for life. What fueled these grids? As you drift, let the image of energy relics pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These energy grids, a cryptic network, heighten suspense. Let their pulsing echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Cydonia constructs. The Cydonia region, home to the face, holds potential technological clues. In 2025, MRO images, per NASA reports, revealed tetrahedral pyramids with unnaturally straight edges per astronomical studies. Picture a rover approaching the face, its light catching a metallic glint near a pyramid's base, as if part of a machine. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, detected magnetic anomalies in Cydonia, suggesting buried technology. Could these be engineered constructs? Imagine a dusty plain, a rover uncovering a crystalline panel, its surface etched with alien circuits. This enigma captivates. The 2024 Viking data reanalysis, per NASA studies, shows grid-like alignments in Cydonia, resembling technological layouts. Picture a rover's lens zooming on a pyramid's edge, a faint pulse revealing a buried device, too precise for nature. The 2025 Perseverance biosignatures, per September 2025 Nature papers, suggest a life-friendly Cydonia in the past. What built these constructs? As you rest, let the image of Cydonia's relics draw you, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These Cydonia constructs, a cryptic design, fuel suspense. Let their shadowy forms guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Jezero Crater artifacts. Jezero Crater, a former lakebed, may hide technological artifacts. In 2025 Perseverance, Cheyava Falls rock, per NASA data, revealed organic molecules and leopard-like spots, per September 2025 Nature studies, hinting at engineered processes. Picture a rover drilling into red sediment, uncovering a metallic shard, its edges too smooth for geology. The 2025 radar scans, per NASA reports, detected subsurface anomalies in Jezero, resembling machinery. Could these be relics of a civilization? Imagine a crater floor, a rover's beam illuminating a crystalline structure, pulsing faintly as if alive. This possibility intrigued. The 2024 Curiosity data, per NASA studies, found similar anomalies in Gale Crater, suggesting a planet-wide pattern. Picture a rover navigating Jezero's delta, its sensors detecting a buried lattice, as if part of a device. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, link Jezero's organics to potential technology. What crafted these artifacts? As you drift, let the image of Jezero's relics pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These Jezero artifacts, a cryptic remnant, fuel suspense. Let their glinting forms guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Orbital anomalies. Orbital scans reveal technological hints. In 2025, ESA's ExoMars orbiter, per astrobiology reports, detected electromagnetic pulses in Utopia Planitia, suggesting buried system. Picture a satellite image, a red plane pulsing with faint signals as if from hidden technology. The 2025 MAVEN data, per NASA studies, found magnetic anomalies in Hellas Planitia, resembling power sources. Could these be orbital evidence of a civilization? Imagine a rover's lens capturing a glinting object, its shape unnatural, fading into the dust. This mystery captivates. The 2024 MRO data, per NASA reports, show grid-like patterns in Elysium Planitia, hinting at technological frameworks. Picture a rover pausing, its sensors buzzing, a faint hum revealing a buried network as if still active. The 2025 Perseverance biosignatures, per September 2025 Nature papers, suggest life-supporting technology. What signaled from Mars' orbit? As you rest, let the image of orbital anomalies draw you deep, their mystery a thrilling whisper. These orbital anomalies, a cryptic pulse, fuel suspense. Let their distant echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. cultural and social hypotheses. As we delve into the heart of Mars' enigma, let your mind wander to a civilization that might have thrived, its culture etched in stone and dust. What rituals and societies shaped their world? The 2025 Perseverance rover, per NASA data, found organic traces in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature studies, suggesting a biosphere for complex society. Picture a rover's light sweeping across Cydonia, the face staring skyward, its eyes shadowed as if guarding ancient rites. Could Valles Marineris ridges per 2025 ExoMars data be ceremonial paths? Imagine a red plain, a faint hum rising, a stone circle emerging, whispering of lost tradition. This chapter explores speculative Martian cultural and social structure, from rituals to collapse, weaving science and suspense. Let these enigmas pull you deeper, their whispers a chilling path to sleep. Cydonia's symbolic face. The Cydonia face, a 3-kilometer formation, looms with haunting symmetry. Per 2025 MRO images, picture a rover approaching under a starry sky, its beam illuminating the face, its features suggesting a monumental sculpture per astronomical studies. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, detected mineralized patterns nearby, resembling glyphs or art. Could the face be a cultural symbol, a deity carved to watch the heaven? Imagine a rover's lens zooming on a pyramid's base, uncovering etched symbol, glowing faintly in the dusk. This symbol intrigue. The 2024 Viking reanalysis per NASA studies shows aligned tetrahedral hills, suggesting a ceremonial complex. Picture a rover navigating Cydonia, its sensors detecting a buried stone, its surface carved with alien script. The 2025 Perseverance biosignatures, per September 2025 Nature paper, suggest a life-friendly Cydonia. What rituals honored this face? As you relax, let the image of Cydonia's symbol draw you, its mystery a thrilling whisper. This symbolic face, a cryptic icon, fuels suspense. Let its shadowed gaze guide you to sleep, its secrets lingering. Ritual sites in Hellas. Hellas Planish's dome-like structure, per 2025 ExoMars data, suggest ritual sites. Picture a rover crossing a vast basin, its light revealing a rounded mound, its curves too smooth for nature, per geological studies. The 2024 InSight seismic data, per NASA reports, detected cavities beneath Hellas, possibly ceremonial chamber. Could these be shrines of a lost culture? Imagine a rover entering a cave, its beam illuminating a stone altar, etched with patterns as if for offering. This possibility captivates. The 2025 MRO images per NASA studies show aligned domes, suggesting intentional placement. Picture a rover uncovering a circular platform, its stones arranged with eerie precision, as if for gathering. The 2025 Jezero Organics, per September 2025 Nature papers, suggest a biosphere supporting cultural life. What ceremonies echoed in Hellas? As you drift, let the image of ritual sites pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These ritual sites, a cryptic altar, fuel suspense. Let their shadowy forms guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Communication networks. Could Martians have built communication system? In 2025, MAVEN's electromagnetic scans, per NASA studies, detected rhythmic pulses in Utopia Planitia, resembling signal. Picture a rover on a red plain, its sensors buzzing, a faint hum rising from buried conduits, as if transmitting across time. The 2025 ExoMars data, per astrobiology reports, found conductive minerals in Cydonia, suggesting communication. Could these be remnants of a network? Imagine a rover uncovering a crystalline antenna, its facets pulsing faintly. This mystery intrigue. The 2024 MRO data, per NASA reports, show grid-like patterns in Elysium Planitia, resembling relay stations. Picture a rover pausing, its sensors detecting a rhythmic vibration, as if a message lingers in the dust. The 2025 Perseverance biosignatures, per September 2025 Nature papers, suggest a communicative society. What voices echoed across Mars? As you rest, let the image of communication networks draw you deeper. Their mystery, a thrilling whisper. These communication networks, a cryptic call, fuel suspense. Let their faint pulses guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering. Social structures. What social structures shaped a Martian civilization? In 2025, ExoMars orbital scans, per astrobiology reports, found grid-like patterns in Utopia Planitia, suggesting urban planning. Picture a rover navigating a dusty grid, its light revealing a stone circle, its symmetry hinting at a civic center, per geological studies. The 2025 MRO images of Cydonia, per NASA reports, show a lined pyramid, possibly temples or observatories. Could these indicate a hierarchical society? Imagine a rover uncovering a plaza, its stones etched with communal design. This vision captivates. The 2024 Curiosity data, per NASA studies, found layered deposits in Jezero Crater, resembling reservoirs or communal halls. Picture a rover's beam illuminating a buried structure, its layout suggesting social organization, per 2025 reports. The 2025 Jezero Organics, per September 2025 Nature papers, support a complex society. What governed these communities? As you drift, let the image of social structures pull you under, their enigma a chilling lullaby. These social structures, a cryptic blueprint, fuel suspense. Let their organized shadows guide you to sleep, their secrets whispering. Legacy of collapse. What caused a Martian civilization's fall? In 2025, MAVEN data, per NASA atmospheric studies, show Mars lost its atmosphere 4 billion years ago, per geological reports, turning a wet world to desert. Picture a Martian city, its domes crumbling under a thinning sky, dust burying its streets. The 2025 Perseverance biosignatures in Jezero Crater, per September 2025 Nature paper, suggest a biosphere disrupted by climate collapse. Could a society have perished in this cataclysm? Imagine a rover uncovering a shattered obelisk, its carvings fading, whispering of a lost legacy. This tragedy haunts. The 2024 InSight seismic data, per NASA reports, detected collapsed chambers in Hellas Planitia, hinting at abandoned cities. Picture a rover's light illuminating a broken arch, its stones etched with fading symbols, per 2025 studies. The 2025 ExoMars methane spikes, per astrobiology reports, could be from decaying infrastructure. What ended their reign? As you rest, let the image of a lost legacy draw you deeper, its mystery a thrilling whisper. This legacy, a ghostly remnant, deepens suspense. Let its fading echoes guide you to sleep, their secrets lingering.